Today we'll see all about median. The median is a measure of central tendency which gives the value of the middlemost observation in the data. Where individual observations are not important and wish to find out a typical observation, the median is more appropriate. See, to measure the central tendency, there are three units. One is the mean, median, and mode. Out of that, median is one of that, correct? Now, in median, each and every individual observation we are not considering. That you remember. So, wherever we need only few of the observations, we are not going to count each and every observation. In that case, we are going to use median. Okay. For example, average of happy people in the country. So we are not going to ask each and every person whether you are happy or not, right? We just take group of people and then we'll find out whether they are happy or not, and then depending on that the information will be there. Look at the second one here, average of wages in the country, etc. So same here, to each and every person we are not going to ask what is your wage karke, right? That means in this case few observations we are going to take in consideration and then we'll find out the median. Look at this one, median for ungrouped data. There are two types of data. One is grouped, one is ungrouped. So whenever ungrouped raw data is there, then how to find out the median? So first thing what we are going to do here, whatever the data we are having, we will write down that data either in the ascending order or descending order, right? Now once again, after writing in the ascending order and descending order, another thing is that how many observations are there, whether they are in even number or in odd number. That question arises. Suppose the number of observations are odd, then to get the median we are having formula as n plus 1 by 2th observation. That means whatever the data we are going to write down in the ascending order, from there we are going to choose n plus 1 by 2th observation. That one will be the median of the data. Let us see the example here. I have written here some raw numbers here. Okay. Now I have written them in the ascending order. See here, ascending order. After counting the numbers, I came to know there are 7 observations and 7 is the odd number. So whenever the odd number is there, we are having this formula n plus 1. So 7 plus 1 is 8. So 8 by 2 is 4. So fourth observation from this data we are going to find out. See here, fourth observation comes as 7. So median of the data is 7. Right? Now, if the total number of observations are even, then look at the formula here. Median is equal to n by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation divided by 2. Right? Now see here. This is the data given. I have written that data in the ascending order here. After counting the number of observations, the number of observations are coming as 8 and 8 is the even number. Whenever even number is there, look at the formula. 8 by 2, that means 4th observation. 8 by 2 plus 1, 4 plus 1 is 5th. That is 5th observation divided by 2. So we are going to find out the average of 4th and 5th observation. So in the list, 4th observation is 11 and 5th observation is 12. So 11 plus 12 by 2, 33 by 2, which comes as 16.5 is the median of the data. If data is small, easily one more thing you can do. If even number of observation, take middle most 2 observations and just find out the average. And if the data is in odd numbers, just only one middlemost observation will be there, that you locate, and that one will be the median. Okay, now this is about the ungrouped data. Now how to find out median for the grouped data. For that we are having this formula here. So here L plus n by 2 minus CF divided by F into H. So what is the meaning of all these short forms written here? L means lower limit of median class. So we need to find out first median class from the data. Suppose my class is 10 to 20. Class means what? Groups. So in this one, this 10 is the lower limit and 20 is the upper limit. Then what? N? N means total number of observations. CF means cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. Now whenever the data will come, I will tell you what is this cumulative frequency. F is frequency of median class. So this median class, suppose I am just considering this one as the median class, and here some frequency will be there, maybe 15, maybe 20, whatsoever will be the number. So this one will be the frequency of the median class. H is the class size, assuming class size to be equal. Okay. Now whenever we want to find out the median, we have to remember some of the things. Class intervals should be continuous. If they are not continuous, make them continuous. Calculate the cumulative frequency of each class. Locate median class whose cumulative frequency is greater than or equal to n by 2. So we have to locate the median class whose cumulative frequency is greater than or equal to n by 2. Okay, let us see the example here. For this data, we need to find out the median. See here. Here, classes I have written in the vertical form. Then this is the frequency here. Now, cumulative frequency in the bracket I have written less than type. Means I will find out there are how many observations which are less than 20. So 17 observations are there which are less than 20. So first I have written here 17. Then how many observations are there? Less than 40. So from 0 to 40 I will count the observations. Because 0 to 40, those what will I will say? The observations which are less than 40. For that 17 plus 28, which will come as 45. Then how many observations are there who are less than 60? So for less than 60, this 45 plus 30. Okay. Then less than 80, this 75 plus 25. Then less than 100, this 100 plus 20. We get 120. This way we will find out the cumulative frequency. Correct? In simple words, what we are doing? Here I have written 17, then 17 plus 28. Addition of that, I got 45. 45 plus 30. See, addition is 75. 75 plus 25, addition is 100. 100 plus 20, it comes as 120. This way we are getting cumulative frequency. Now, n. Here n comes as 120, right? So n by 2 is 60. So 60th observation comes in which class interval? 45 observations till this one. So 45, 46, 47, this way 60th observation will be definitely in this class interval, right? Because till 75 observations are here. So 60th observation will be in this class interval only. So median class is 40 to 60. Lower limit is 40. And H is the class size. So 60 minus 40, which comes as 20. Correct? Now here we said locate the median class. So here is the median class. So in front of that, this one is the frequency of the median class. And CF, what I said? Cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. Right? So this one here, the preceding class cumulative frequency, you have to take as CF. Okay, now in the table you can mention directly, no problem at all here. Okay, now here look at the formula. This is the formula. This formula you have to memorize. L lower limit, which is 40 here. N by 2 is 60. CF is 45. F is 30 here. And here H means 20. So 60 minus 45 comes as 15 by 30 into 20. So do the calculation. 15 ones are 15 twos are. Here 15 ones are 15 twos are. 2 ones are, and here 2 tens are. So 40 plus 10 comes as 50. So median of this class is 50. Correct? I hope all of you understood about the median of ungrouped data and median of grouped data.